Kamusta ka naman ngayon, babe?
Hi, babe. Okay lang. Ikaw, babe. Sa trabaho mo?
Okay naman. Hi. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang matulog dito. Or, meron namang vacant room sa kabila eh.
Maugma ako para sa KR mo.
KR?
Babe, KR, karelasyon.
Sing me to sleep. Sing me to sleep. I don't want to wake up on my own anymore. Sing to me. Sing to me. I don't want to wake up on my own anymore.
Don't feel bad for me. I want you to know, deep in the cell of my heart, I really want to go.